Yo, in today's video, we are rebuilding the Boston Celtics after they got eliminated by the Knicks and lost Jason Tatum for all next year. So we're starting free agency and LeBron retires. We're going to go to the draft and we're going to trade our pick away. We're going to trade our pick away and Holiday. We're going to trade away Drew Holiday in the first round pick for Rudy Gobert in the second round pick. We're going to send him to the rest of the draft. And I think that I am going to trade most of the team because how much money they're taking. So I'm going to try to see who I can get for Porzingis. I'm going to get Rudy Hashimura and Kincaid. I'm going to keep Brown and White for now until I decide to trade them. And Victor Wembanyama are free agents, so I'm going to see if I can get him. We don't have enough money. I'm going to see if I can trade Derek right away. I'm going to trade for Cody White for Derek White. We're going to try and get Paolo Ranchero. And we miss out on all three of them. I try to get Amen Thompson. Think he can replace Jason Tatum until he comes back. I'm also gonna try to get his brother, just in case if I trade away Jaylen Brown. And I'm gonna try to get Brandon Miller. And we got all three of them. I'm gonna sign Westbrook to be my point guard. And Mark Williams. And we got all of them. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I might trade Jaylen Brown away. I'm going to trade Jaylen Brown away for Devin Booker in a first round pick. This first year, I'm going to try to just rebuild until Tatum comes back. So right now, my starting roster is Devin Booker, Brandon Miller, Asad Thompson, Rudy Hashimura, and Gobert. And I'm going to keep my roster the same. And I see you guys at the trade deadline. And at the trade deadline, we are 31-19. And Brandon Miller is leading us in minutes. And Devin Booker is averaging 25 points a game. I'm gonna keep the roster the same. I'm just gonna see if I have to extend anybody's contract. Go to the end of the year and see what happens. At the end of the year, we are the 5th seed, going 48-34. Tatum came back towards the end of the year, averaging 23 points a game, and Devin Booker was averaging 23.4 a game. We're gonna sim game 1, we win. Game 2, they win. Game 3, we win. Game 4, they win. Game 5, we win. And game 6, we win. So we move on to the next round. We play Brooklyn Nets. Game 1 goes to them. Game 2 goes to them. Game 3 goes to us. Game 4 goes to us. Game 5 goes to them. I'm gonna sim cash this one. If it becomes close, I'm gonna hop in. And it looks like we're going to a game 7. And I'm gonna hop in towards the end of. I'm gonna hop in the 4th quarter with 8:30 left to go.
A little over 3.5 minutes in the books now in this 4th quarter. Out to Thompson. Oh, from deep. And it's Martin with the rebound. Nets leading by 6. Durant out there with Nicholas Claxton. Then it's Walker Kessler. And it's Martin in at the point. So that's the lineup for Brooklyn.
His consistency just hasn't been there this quarter in terms of his shooting.
It was a strong move. The shot's just a little off.
Now we're missing.
We're missing a chance to trim the lead by leaving points at the line.
Some changes for Boston. Kobe White, he's checked in for Miller. And Pritchard is subbed in for Booker.
What strikes me about Jason Tatum is really his versatility. He's got any move for any situation that you throw at him. His moves have moves. His counters have counters. That is a man that can finish plays or make them.
Celtics trail by 7.
Down by 5 with 7:50 left to go.
We see this from Tatum often, and it never gets old. Just scoring at will.
For Brooklyn, they've got just 3 of 9 shots to go in. Struggling this 4th quarter. No good with the triple.
That was a good possession. They got a clean look. The shot just didn't fall.
White for 3. And the shot is good on the assist by Tatum. White's got 11 in the second half.
And his fantastic performance from the last game has carried over to tonight.
He's just riding the wave of momentum right now, getting to his spots and keeping things simple on the offensive side.
Counted.
Yeah, he was able to sneak it to the rim. Not enough room to get just like an easy layup.
Here's Thompson. Oh, big finish.
Okay, I see you.
Flying high, Asar Thompson.
If we somehow
I wish I still had hops like that.
win this year, I'm gonna do another year. I didn't expect us to win this year, or if we win.
Shot goes.
Oh, I'll tell you what, in this 4th quarter, he's been locked in and has made some big shots for his team.
To the wing, right side. It's Pritchard. And again, Boston with the triple.
Down by 1.
This is what it's been since halftime. Remarkable results from downtown.
In the modern NBA, you have to hit threes to win games, and they've made that adjustment since the break.
He's guarded by White. And it's Gobert with a rebound. Gobert's got 9 rebounds now. Here's Thompson.
We take the lead.
Oh, save that for the dunk contest. That flush was so extra.
Whether or not this game is close, he's the same guy. Focused on finishing firm at the rim. Clock at 6. The Nets need to get off a shot here. Boston Gobert's got double-digit rebounds now in the game. And Tatum finishing the fast break.
Their ball movement on this run has been tremendous. It's led to a lot of good, clean, open looks.
He's guarded by White. And he got the whistle on the way up. So he'll be headed to the line for a pair.
So defense there doing whatever they can to protect the rim.
And let's quickly check out the scoring breakdown here for the Celtics.
The name of the game in the modern NBA is making threes, spacing the court, and that's exactly what they are doing tonight.
And also attacking in transition has been working for them. We credit them for running the break well and being opportunistic.
Oh, against inside resistance. Booker's still good.
They're really working the paint now.
Let's trail by 5. Here's Beekman. To win the run. Gets the 3 to fall.
And the defense is looking almost lost on the perimeter. That opens up a quality three-point shot, and he delivers.
Big three right there, especially at this point in the game.
Nice little shot fake there. Got the D out of position. Tatum's got 9 points now in the quarter. Brooklyn has gone only 1 of 4 from the perimeter here in this fourth quarter. There's the triple. And it's Gobert with a rebound. Gobert's got 11 rebounds in the game. And Booker, here we go. 20 feet out. Thompson, no good.
It hasn't been his best game, but his team is still doing just enough to be up.
Here's Martin. Miller pulls it in.
He just can't find a consistent way to score, and this team could certainly use it.
Going inside, and it's good for 2. And it's a 6-point Boston lead.
Looks like we're starting to see a pattern here. Not afraid to get in the paint and get wet.
Pass to Lewis. Guarded by Miller. And he dumps it down.
And you have to love it. The floor general taking things into his own hands.
Just the aggression they're looking for, man.
No doubt, that's the kind of play that can energize the whole team, and they will take it in a close game like this.
Pulls it from the corner. And it's Thompson that time on the assist by Gobert.
Scoring well this quarter, picking up steam as he goes.
Let's trail by 6. So it'll be 2 free throws. He was fouled in the act of shooting. And it's going to go on Devin Booker. The first free throw is good. Jalen Duren, he's checked in for Brooklyn. He's both from the stripe.
Didn't get to the line in the first half, but since the break, he's been in attack mode. Great adjustment.
Now here's Gobert. Not a lot of room. Kessler with a rebound. Well, the Nets shooting at 45% of the game so far. Down low. And finished off by Kessler.
Making sure of it. Two-man slam, PA.
Yeah, I don't blame him. With the score this tight, you cannot take a chance here. Knocked away. And he's going for the Jason Tatum. Nets trail by 4. And the timeout called here by Jordi Fernandez. Rallying his guys to make sure they all...
I'm gonna hop in again. We win by 9 and move on to the next round. Play the Hawks. We lose game 1, lose game 2, win game 3, win game 4, win game 5. Move on to the finals. Lose game 1, lose game 2, lose game 3. Win game 4, we lose in 5. I wasn't expecting to make it this far then. Alright, then I'm gonna go to the draft lottery and see if we have a pick. We have the 9th pick and the 23rd pick. I think we could use a different center. So I'm gonna trade Gober and the 2 picks for a center. Or try to. Yeah, I'm gonna add White to the deal. I'm gonna do the Dallas Mavericks deal. And I think I'm gonna trade Kobe right away since we have Brandon Miller. Actually, I'm gonna trade Brandon Miller because I saw Bam at bio, so I'm gonna take Bam. Gonna zim to the end of the draft. We're gonna decline next offer. And before I do anything else, I'm gonna move Bam to center. Alright. Lucas in free agency. I'm gonna wait on him, see if I want to take him, but I might go for Kevin Durant. No, we signed Rudy. Let's see if he. Um. Probably fewer than 14 players. Guess we can go for a shooting guard who wants to come here. Just gonna go with that. No one wanted to come here. I want to see if I can get a shooting guard. I'm gonna trade for Jaden Ivey and give away a Saw Thompson. And I'm gonna have Tatum go to the 3 and have Bam play the 4. Alright, I see you guys at the trade deadline. And we are back. We are 30 and 21. I'm not gonna be able to do anything. I'm gonna just see if I have to gonna extend anybody's contract or re-sign anybody. Just gonna go to the end of the year. I don't know what's happening. And after the season, we are 5th seed again. Playing the Pacers. Lose game 1, lose game 2, lose game 3. Win game 4, so I'm gonna sim cash game 5. If it gets close, I'm gonna hop in.
Third minute of action now gone here in the fourth. In the corner, Tatum with it. Hits the three-point bomb.
Watch out. Now that he's got his first three of the half, there might be more in store.
They're going with Mathurin and Neesmith on the wing. Siakam is out there with Obi Toppin. And it's Nembhard in at the one. So that's the group out there for Indiana. Ivy passes to Tatum for three. Booker. Tatum kicks to Booker. Some nice ball movement here by the Celtics. Ivy with the bucket.
And they've had assists now on their last three baskets.
Indiana leading by 21. Siakam outside. It's Nembhard on the wing. And the Pacers can't get it to go.
Kevin, you can understand the shot selection. I mean, he wanted to go back at him and just came up short on the triple.
Drills the three-pointer. 11 points for Jaden Ivey.
Their great outside shooting really fueling this run.
Nembhard the pass to Toppin. Here's Mathurin. And that one is stuck right through.
No shortage of confidence from Matthews. He's got tremendous belief in himself. We are seeing why that's the case tonight. Then lighting it up.
Marshall can't hit.
You can't miss those, but even the best do on occasion.
Siakam, that's good.
I'll tell you what, guys, this has clearly been his half. When he's getting to a spot, shooting the ball with confidence, excellent turnaround.
And he's good on the free ball.
12 straight points off of three-pointers, and the D looks shell-shocked.
And guys, now that they're rolling from out there, the defense has to really get up into them. You gotta almost be in their jerseys to try to deny those looks.
And the one-hand slam just looks so pretty when it's in his hand, and he's the one doing the slam.
Agreed. He is smooth as silk, even on a power finish.
Part of what makes him unique, guys, that combination of power and power.
And here is Siakam. After Jason Tatum getting his shot to go from deep. Here's Nembhard. Ivy on the wing. Here's Tatum. With the second effort. And that's 2 points on the layup. Tatum's got 8 here in the quarter.
Over the years, we've really seen Tatum elevate his offensive game. Now he's a dynamic, multi-level scorer.
Now, here's Siakam. Here's Nembhard. And he gets it to go. Hitting off the back of the rim. Nembhard's got 21 in the game.
Unwilling to let up, even for a moment. That's his killer instinct, just fanning the flank.
Yeah, I love the fact he doesn't play the score. He just keeps coming, attack mode. He doesn't know how to step off the gas pedal.
And really, as the three-pointers keep dropping, you get the sense that the frustration is mounting for the defense.
Yeah, and either was unwilling or unable to take that shot away.
Halliburton's checked in for the Pacers. Hachimura is checked in for the Celtics. Russell comes in for Ivy. And with an update from the sideline, let's check in with David Aldridge.
Trying my best to come back, but it might be hard to.
He told his players, I love the energy right now. You look like you're having fun out there.
Down by 14 with 5:40 left to go.
Great right now. Back to you guys.
All right, thank you, David. Halliburton finds Neesmith.
against Booker. Halliburton, no good.
The defense there got away with a major lapse.
Russell from long range. And the Celtics hit again from deep.
You know, Russell is so smooth. He's got deceptive length, which allows him to get those shots off behind the arc.
Halliburton, no good. Here's Boston now. They're on a 17-6 run. Out to the right wing from downtown. Out there on the Indiana lead has been cut down now to just 8 on the basket from Hachimura.
Out of their last 5 makes, how about all 5 from long range?
Well, the defense just hasn't pressed up to deny any of those looks, guys. I mean, they're hanging back and getting picked apart.
And Indiana making a change here. Siakam's checked in. Here's Nemo. And it's Russell with the rebound. Russell's got his 4th rebound with that last one here tonight. Booker taking the hit.
And you know, defenses try to get physical with Booker, and now he's used to that. He just plays through the contact.
And stolen by Booker. Pass to Tatum. Oh, Tatum capping off the alley-oop.
And, you know, if you throw it up, Tatum will go get it now. He's a really good athlete. Can't let him roam free like that.
Halliburton passes to Toppin. Halliburton against Booker. Now, here's Halliburton. He's covered closely. Siakam, good.
They've been going to him an awful lot this game, and you can see why. He's pouring it on.
And here's Booker from the arc. Bucket! Devin for 3.
And this has been
Down by 3 with 3:45 left to go.
see how it pans out.
You know what? Teams can get a little three happy down the stretch sometimes. Letting it fly.
Here's Siakam. It's all in by Bam Adebayo.
And gotta like what they've been doing down low in the post.
I certainly do. You know, I like to see guys do their work inside. Their rebounding has been excellent, and that's always important in the first game.
They came close there to tying it up.
Yeah, you know, and after the way they fought back into it here in the 4th, that would have been a big bucket for them.
Halliburton, that's good.
Halliburton coming up big. No rest in that man's game. He takes the shot and makes the shot.
Here's Hachimura. And so the ball's
I have no clue what I was doing.
He's checked in for the Celtics. Indiana leading by 5. And a wide open look for Hell. Good. Another from 3.
Long range, the devastating effect.
And he's now tied the franchise record for triples in a playoff game. That bucket in no time at all. 16 points for Jaden Ivey.
Great quarter for him at the offensive end, trying to pull his team back in the game.
He wants to talk to the team right now. Siakam with 3. And Boston with the rebound. Here's Ivey. That 3 from Tatum. Tatum from 3.
And Tatum has been in these situations before. He's reliable when it comes to stepping up in big moments.
Booker against Halliburton. Tapping the screen on Hachimura. Halliburton from and again for 3.
Talk about stepping up. He's having a playoff game. These fans will never forget.
And has 3 means he's got the most threes in a single playoff game in franchise history.
How about the focus from Booker? I mean, refusing to let anything stop him from getting that basket.
Halliburton. And Halliburton slams it in.
I mean, already hot coming into the game. Is it fair to say he's hotter?
That might be fair, but I wouldn't want to take away from what he did in that last game. I mean, let's just say it's a pretty nice run he's on, no matter how you decide to frame it up.
Celtics trail by 3. Outside Tatum to tie it up. Good. Nice assist from Booker.
Just tied the game with 1:27 left to go.
He's so clutch. When the pressure is at its highest, that's when he's at his very best.
Halliburton for 3. It's Adebayo with the rebound. missing. It's been a nice stretch for them offensively.
I mean, the communication's great. The movement's been really good. This is solid team basketball.
Now, here's Ivy. Got it.
And you can't get a bigger bucket than that.
Well, that was 1-2. He wanted the ball. Nobody else was taking that shot.
Halliburton for three. And Tatum pulls it down.
You hear this crowd, they know he just set the three-point single game playoff record.
Well, they've seen lots of stars over the years, but this guy, he has the most threes in a single game for their team. Now here is Hitchner. Booker dishes to Ivy. Tatum kicks to Ivy. And a wide open look for Hitchner. Connects from three-point range. And it's a
20
7-point
seconds
lead.
left.
Play, and you can see
If they don't score here, it's really game over.
You know, they need to stay aggressive here. Build the lead up while they've got the chance. Don't waste this opportunity.
They're in for three. It counts. And now they trail by just four.
Showing no signs of slowing or cooling down. They're going to ride him as far as you can take it.
And the second of two is good. That puts them up by 5. So it's the Pacers now.
can't waste any time here.
No, you need a quick bucket and then a quick foul.
Booker against Halliburton. And that's an intentional foul. He hits the first one, and that increases their lead to 6. And so both free throws are good. And it's a 7-point game. And there's the call on Devin Booker.
I want to steal it.
And they go to the intentional foul.
You know, give them credit.
Game's over.
Battling it
Take
out.
game 5.
I think it's too little too late.
Simply delaying the inevitable here. I mean, at this point, even if they miss the free throw, there's not enough time left.
And he ends up making the second, and that stretches their lead to 8. So it's the Celtics picking up the win. People were riding their... Thank you, David. Well, that'll do it for now. You can join us.
Game 6 we win. Game 7. I'm simcasting. Taking a big win. Jumping in early because I want more time I had than last game.
Halliburton outside. And it's Halliburton. Gets it to go inside.
Well, they have leaned on him offensively with good reason. Efficient.
Gonna simcast a little. We take the lead. I'm gonna watch the game but not play. Minute 35 left.
A minute 35 left in the fourth. Here's Halliburton. Rebound Boston. And for the Pacers, Siakam at power forward with Turner in at center. Halliburton runs point with Matherin flanking him. And it's Neesmith in at the free slot. Tatum can't hit. Pacers trail by 7.
You know, I think it's desperation time for them.
It's not going to be easy now. They're going to need just about everything to go right from this point on.
And for Boston, Jay Divey is out there with Baby Pritchard. Then there's Najee Marshall. Then there's Jason Tatum. And it's Adebayo in at the pivot spot, manning the middle. Stolen by Siakam. And here comes the break. The teardrop. And Halliburton turned it on with speed.
And what a huge moment from Halliburton. These guys give it to him for these exact reasons.
Adebayo, a screen on Halliburton. For Tatum. Shoots over Siakam. Rebounded by Halliburton. And here's Halliburton.
If they score a 3-pointer here, I'm gonna hop in.
Maverick finds Turner. Here's Siakam to tie it up. Yes!
I'm gonna hop in. Try to help my team win.
Oh, an enormous three-pointer!
There is absolutely no fear in his eyes. He loves the moment. And I can say from experience, his coach is
They don't let me. James the Washers have to go timeout.
Hachimura checked in for Boston. Russell comes in for Pritchard. Gives us a chance to catch up with Allie LaForce.
Over the break, I listened on Joe Mazzulla's huddle. He told his men he wants them to play with confidence down the stretch, saying, quote, "We've come too far to let this one slip away. Continue to work hard and find a way to close this out."
All right, appreciate it, Allie. About 3 seconds between the shot clock and the game clock. Outside Russell. Adebayo passes to Ivy. Adebayo, a screen on Matherin. Ivy against Matherin. Shot clock at 5. To win the game! Oh, it's off the mark! Here we go to overtime.
Overtime game 7.
We're going to overtime. We'll take a quick. Well, 4 quarters weren't enough to decide this ball game. Sit back and enjoy as we move on to overtime. Go. Here's Pritchard. Matherin after 2 with Neesmith at the 3. Siakam at power forward with Turner in at center. And it's Halliburton in at the point. Knocks it down from distance.
Well, hey, you give him some daylight, he can knock it down.
Outside Matherin. Pass to Turner. Now here's Halliburton. Shot clock at 6. Halliburton scores with the floater.
A nice effort from Halliburton, working to get that point-blank shot.
Siakam against Tatum. The 3 ball. On target from range.
I'm gonna simcast a little. And we win the game. Move on to the next round. Win game 1. Lose game 2. Win game 3. Lose game 4. Win game 5. Move on. Lose game 1. Win game 2. Win game 3. Lose game 4. Lose game 5. I'm gonna simcast. Looks like we might be going to a game 7. Neck and neck in the first half. Gonna happen. I know it's not that far apart, but it's a 1-point game.
Pass to Wiggins. Back to Hero. Driving in, and it is flushed down with a nice jam.
to the inside. Good use of his athleticism.
Edwards is out there with Wiggins. Then it's Tyler Hero. Then it's Santi Aldama. And it's Miller in at the 2. It's the group on the floor for Miami. And so Miller will bring it up for the Heat. Over Ivy. Miller, no luck.
His touch has left him in this quarter nowhere close to the kind of output they need from him.
Wiggins against Gafford. Wiggins kicks to Hero. Back to Wiggins for 3. Rebound Boston. Ivy's got rebound number 7 for him tonight. Driving inside.
And 1.
Call the foul, so a chance at the line for one more coming up.
Could come down to selection. Bad shots in the first half. Here in the second, using his head, finding some more efficient opportunities to score.
The Heat making a switch here. Ware's checked in, and then for Boston. Tatum, he's checked in for Daniel Gafford. And it's Najee Marshall in for Pritchard. Now here's Wiggins, a 7-footer ball. Wiggins has got the game tied up here for the Heat.
And Wiggins committed to help the team out offensively. Big shot.
Here's Booker, over in the corner, Marshall. Took him no time at all on that one.
And great intensity here down the stretch. He's not one to shrink in the moment.
Take a look at him. Locked in right now in this moment. Wants the ball in his hands and feels real comfortable with the shot he's taking.
And this is what we want to see more of from Wiggins, delivering a huge basket for his team. And the stroke definitely lacking confidence this quarter. Nothing on target.
Here's Hero. And such a nice move to make the basket work. Hero's got 23.
He has been just completely helpless and turned around. He's so dangerous when he's in this kind of rhythm.
As Tatum's experience in these spots is starting to show, he's never been afraid to take the biggest shots.
Here's Hero. Jason Tatum picking up that last basket. Pass to Miller. To the right side. Just 4 to shoot. There, good.
And not just the score, Miller can dish it as well, showing great vision on that play.
Here's Booker. And he's Booker with the big jam.
And Booker coming through again. What a huge shot.
The Heat with the lead. 1:46 left in the fourth quarter. Aldama can't hit.
If he wants that one over again, I guarantee that. Nobody's even in the neighborhood.
There's Tatum. And it's Miami with the rebound. Aldama's got 7 rebounds in the game. Shots good by Miller.
Already, Miller showing he has no problem in the big moments. The depth from that young man.
The 3 from Tatum. Good. Nice assist for Booker. Booker's got 6 assists now in the game.
And he just seems to always deliver in the clutch. And he's got it going right now. That's who they want taking the big shot.
Now, Hero. Lets it go from the wing. It's Adebayo with the rebound.
I know it's about defending the post and the three-point line these days, but still got to be active in the mid-range area, and the defense gets away with that.
Here's Ivy. Tatum with the screen on him. And it's thrown by Miller. And now Miller running the floor all by himself.
That is world class.
We've seen that there. Huge possession, and he nets it.
Here's Tatum. It's good. A huge shot to tie it up.
Tie game with 34 seconds left to go.
Doesn't crack when the pressure's on. He just seems to embrace the moment.
And timeout is called by Eric Spoelstra. The magnitude at this juncture in the game clearly warranting a timeout. And some changes here for the Celtics. Kitchener is checked in for Marshall. And it's Russell in for Booker.
Tie game again.
For that one, you know, he's such a smart scorer. He doesn't force anything, lets the opportunities come to him.
And timeout is called by Eric Spoelstra. And he knows there's no room for mistakes and wants everyone on the same page. Just 1 second between the shot clock and game clock. It's stolen by Adebayo. To the left side wing. Miller against Ivy. To take the lead. And that's going to do it for regulation. So Miller is out there with Tyler Hero. Then it's Santi Aldama. Then it's Andrew Wiggins. And it's Ware in at the pivot spot, manning the middle. Hero. Chimera grabs the miss.
The game has been very close in a lot of areas, but rebounding has been the one differentiator thus far.
And tonight is why
I think I'm gonna try stop doing some buzzer beaters.
putting his
The last two I tried to do
gets rolling.
were both blocked.
To slow down.
To Ware. Down low. Shots good by Miller. Miller's got it all tied up now for the Heat.
And with his diverse game and 6'9" frame, Brandon Miller can score in bunches. And on nights like tonight, it's really hard to get someone to match up with.
He's played a huge role in this game to this point, but it looks like he just wants more. He wants to make sure that this lead holds up.
Booker against Hero. They set the pick. Fires the three. Rebound by the Celtics. Tatum's got rebound number 8 now on the night. And the dunk by Tatum.
Oh, another huge night for Tatum. One of the top scorers in the NBA. Jason beats you in so many different ways.
Hero, no good. Boston leading by 4. Booker the basket.
Uh-oh.
The officials call traveling violation.
Oh, I thought somebody was gonna come behind me and dunk it.
Miami's got neither of their first 2 3-point attempts to fall in overtime. Miller outside. And he finishes nicely on the wing. And that's now 30 points from Brandon Miller.
And more than just a jump shooter, Miller's very good around the rim. A rare quality for a league these days.
They throw good and Adebayo. And Adebayo blocks them both.
And among NBA bigs, he is known for his ability to deliver at the free throw line.
And there's the call on Devin Booker. That will get him from the end. Here we go.
I'm challenging that.
Not surprised in a competitive game like this. And he's disputing the personal foul call.
And this is the time now where the officials can review in closer detail what constituted you. Sometimes make it a lot easier to determine.
Indeed, and the one thing with replay review is that when you see the slow motion replay, you really get a new appreciation for just the immense speed at which these players are moving.
Man,
And how fast the action really is, and how hard it can be sometimes, Greg, to make the right call. And so the word is in. They've decided that the call stands as it was made on the play.
And you know, even if a coach still feels this wasn't the right call, you got to acknowledge the effort being put in to reviewing it. With double checking, and the game continues on.
Looking at who's out there now for the Celtics. Walsh is checked in, and it's Russell in for Booker. Up high to stop the alley-oop.
And you could see him give a little nod and then just burst to the rim for the alley-oop slam.
A pair of teammates, Greg, with a terrific feel for each other. Ivy against Miller. The shot by Ivy, no good.
We'll have a hard time shaking that one off. Perfect position, plenty of space. Despite it.
Shooting foul as the whistle blows. He'll shoot 2 free throws.
And you watch Miller, he keeps the defense on its heels. They don't know what he's going to do.
And he makes the first. first. That's also good. So he hits both free throws.
And he's the one person that the coaching staff and the teammates love to see at the line in a tight ball game. They pretty much bank on this.
Count it. Good. Russell's got 21.
Well, D'Angelo Russell not scared of the big moment.
Well, he have gone 3 of 6 from the field so far here in overtime. Hero against Russell. This is the one-handed jam. Ivy finds Tatum. Out to Russell. A three. Good again. He's on tonight. 9 for 13 shooting.
Yeah, the leadership skills on display there. Getting it done when it matters most. D'Angelo Russell.
It's stolen by Obama. And he takes the feed in stride and slams it home.
Traditionally, that's how you want to finish the break, right at the rim.
Yeah, anything other than a layup in that situation, probably disappointing. Had numbers, took his head.
Here's Wiggins. Great feed that time from Tatum. Boston leading by 3. Here's Ivy. From out on the wing, he knocks it down. 25 points in the game.
You gotta like the fire you get from Ivy, turning up the intensity to get the buck.
Here's Hero. Finishes it off with a one-handed jam.
Tyler Hero in the zone.
And it's Russell with the ball. He'll bring it up for Boston.
I'm gonna waste the clock
To Ivy.
since we're in the lead. After the shot.
Miami grabs the miss. Hero with it. He's picked up by Russell. Hero, no good.
I'm gonna try to waste the clock out.
On offense, here are the Celtics. 3-point lead. Tatum with it. Just 5 to shoot.
Take a 5-point lead with 27 seconds to go.
And timeout is called by Eric.
I'm gonna put in
And that timeout by coach was carefully made
defensive guys.
to make sure that everybody is on the same page here.
Win this game, we move on to the finals and play. I think the Timberwolves. Gotta check after the game.
3-second difference between shot clock and game clock. Miami no good on that time either.
And you get the sense that he's hit a wall here in OT. He just hasn't been much help to them at all offensively.
And it's the Celtics with the ball. And an intentional foul right there. And this is the first one. Boy, he wanted that one to fall. And he does get the second one. And that increases their lead to 6. Timeout called the Heat. They're down by 6. And what's their best move at this point?
Still a sliver of hope.
Yeah, act fast, but without mistakes.
Right wing, Ware kicks to Hero. Offline with his 3. And now we've got the intentional foul.
This is to have to take a seat here, but at this point, it'll have an impact. The game's probably out of reach anyway. And guys, this is where their depth really comes into play. They've got such talent at that position. They'd love to have them out there, but they won't suffer much of a drop-off. And they've been a different team here in overtime. They just seem to have lost.
Move on to the
And so
finals.
the Boston Celtics take the series and will continue.
What a moment here, guys. They are going to the finals. A chance to win it all. No better feeling. This team has earned it.
I'll tell you guys, they're ready to take on the Western Conference champion.
And that's going to be a great series. But first, we should enjoy this night. Celebrate with teammates. You work your entire life just hoping to get to the finals. These guys get to live out their
You win game 1, lose game 2, lose game 3, win game 4, win game 5, and we win this championship. Thank you guys so much for watching. And the next team that loses, I will rebuild them.